Man, adaptive triggers feels amazing in Resident Evil Requiem. It's a game changer. Look at this. That's amazing. Today's sponsor is our website Nodix. Every download link in this video are going to be there. After downloading the files, you will get this pack, extract, and you will have those. First, let's go to the game main folder, as you can see here, side by side. And what you have to do, get this one, then paste here. Okay, nice. Extract this. Before that, get those. You can copy, then paste in the main game folder. Go again to this. Get those files, go here. Get those two, go to framework. Then paste here, replace. If it says replace. And that's it for adding the mod to the game files. Other thing you have to do is DualSenseX setup. You can use the standard version, or you can use the paid version from Steam. The paid version, it's better. We are not going to talk about this in this video. Okay, it's so easy. Just double click it and it's done. You have the shortcut in your desktop. Also, don't forget to add shortcuts for this. You have to get shortcuts for this because you have to launch it every time you launch your game. Nice, let's run this one and connect our controller. I'm using Bluetooth. You can use cable wherever you want. Here, controller emulation. Make sure to choose Xbox 360. Now launch your game. Very good. After launching your game, you will find this menu as you can see. If we go to script generated UI here, we have here DualSenseX. Stay tuned, it's working as you can see. Let's go to the main story. Okay, very good. We are here in the game as you can see. And I'm using my controller. I have changed the weapon. And we can aim. When you aim, it feels harder. It's different between weapon to another one. And I will show you. As you can see here. When we aim, it stops here, as I will show you. Okay, it stops here, then presses. It's working as you can see. Even the vibration it's working. Before we end this video, you can check this one. You can enable multi-frame generation with any GPU in Resident Evil Requiem. See you in the next one.